not very ergonomic. Got her in there. Ow. Alright, kind of crushing your thumb to push that damn button. Freaking spill-proof bullshit. If this button had a locking mechanism, that'd be a whole lot better, and I already kind of got a plan to make that happen, because my thumb feels like it's about to fall off. Being pressed against the inside of the gas fill area. That was not all of it, but I'm going to make that mod before I even continue here. Alright, first things first. This flappy thing goes away. Pair of little shears. Alright, mod 1, get rid of the flappy thing that makes it a pain in the ass to unscrew the freaking cap. Mod number 2, the plan. You push in this here plunger to make the gas stay flowing. Hold that down there. I can just hold it from this side. My plan, hopefully this is focusing, is going to be to drill a hole above where that plunger is and just put a nail there that I can pull in and pull out as needed. So that's what I'm going to do. Put the nozzle in a vise, use an old gun cleaning mat to keep the plunger down. Well, I now have clearance over the button, so I'm going to find a matching drill bit and nail and get her done. Alright, pretty freaking simple. Drill the hole, shove the nail through. I'm just going to make the nail a little bit shorter, and I'll go back to filling up the truck. Alright, there we freaking go. No more have to push that button, and when you want to make it airtight, just pull the nail out. Back to filling up the Dakota. E-press button, insert our special little hack key here. Oops, spin this way. That's a whole lot easier. Alright, got my second can of gas sucked out of the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Unlike some of the other more destructive methods I've seen people use to hack this thing, the drilling the hole and using a half of a nail to lock that thing down when you need it, leave everything factory safe when you don't, seem to work fine. Yeah, and by the way, like, subscribe, share, do whatever. Appreciate it.